got our Caddy-Pod. So the basis of the Caddy-Pod is the ability to cook inside and outside, and I'll show you that in a minute. But also, one thing that we wanted to do is to keep the bed as low as possible, because I'm quite tall and obviously I want to be able to sit inside without the my head squishing into the ceiling. So we've done our best to keep this as low as possible over the wheel arch. Then underneath we've got our storage. So you've got storage here for your bedding at the rear here. So the Caddy-Pod. So we've got the table leg that moves around there, and this articulates to where you want it. So then we've got the ability to, when it's raining, which it does do sometimes in England, we've got the ability to cook inside. So we've got access there to some of your equipment. A little storage bin there, and then we've got our stove and a sink. So you've got a sink here with a cordless tap, and then we've got the sort of camping type stove there. But what makes this pod unique is the fact that it can pull out as well. So when it's raining or when the weather's bad, you can cook inside. Or in the evening, you can brush your teeth there. And then there's a couple of drawers that enable you to pull the whole unit out. So here you've got access to your storage, a couple of water bottles, and then you can cook outside when the weather's good.